Um, recently I just bought quick to Ate Carol when I saw Kuya Kopio. Why does Kuya Kopio says ikulong daw si Bongo at ikulong ang what's that magnanakaw at kurakot because of flood control. Let me ask you something anyway, folks. Um, Bongo is not involved of flood control ghost project. Even his family member is are not involved also of flood control project. The involved there of the flood control project, among them is Zaldico, Bongbong Marcos, Martin Romualdez, especially Arjo Atayde, even another congressman who were involved of flood control project. How would you ever say that Bongo is involved in the flood control? For my reminder, to those idiot Marcos loyalists who were fake Filipinos, stop making all of those things are lies. All of you are liar. Look, if I was told by my fellow Duterte supporters when they say a truth, the truth was Martin Romualdez, Zaldico, Bongbong Marcos, and Arjo Atayde are involved of flood control ghost project. And it's not Bongo, it's not Rodrigo Duterte, it's not Sara Duterte, it's not the Duterte family, and it's not Bongo. Bongo is always focusing of Malasakit Center for private hospitals, not not uh, Bongo. Bongo is not involved of flood control projects or ghost project. He's not involved. I'm just gonna say, Kuya Kopio, with all due respect, Bongo is not involved of flood control project. Hindi po yan involved si Bongo. Wala po kinalaman dyan. That's why the involvement there is the involvement of the flood control project. Among them are okay, Martin Romualdez, Zaldico, Bongbong Marcos, and Arjo Atayde, and other congressmen who were involved of flood control ghost project. This is really, I'm saying, the flood control project are involved by Martin Romualdez. They are involved. Oh, even the other congressmen are involved. Zaldico, Arjo Atayde. This is what I'm saying. Kuya Kopio, I've been talk with the Miss Earth 2025 candidate. I talked to Namua Wari and also Miss Indonesia Putri Jufika and Miss Belarus Lisbeta Moger and Nina Karsapev from Serbia. I talked to them about the issue of flood control of the Philippines. We talk about flood control. The involvement there is the involvement of the flood control was among them is Martin Romualdez, Zaldico, Bongbong Marcos, especially Arjo Atayde. They are involved of flood control ghost project. Take a look who are involved. As the Discayas. What is hell is wrong with all of you? Idiot Marcos loyalist. Even among Marcos loyalists there, aside of Kuya Kopio, among them is Nino Barsaga, Sangkay Janjan, Teacher Evelyn Caja, Teacher May Tiburcio, Paulo Cruzada, Jordan Bunagan, Ate Dina Guillermo, Ate Mil Canete, and including other BBM bloggers, and including who among them I just want to mention, even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan. All of you are fake Filipinos. You do not know what is really happening. For example, Cebu. Look at what happened in Cebu City. Flood control to the max, according by Pam Baricarto. Is this what all of those corruption in the Philippines because of pathetic Marcos loyalists who were assholes? Mga bobo kayo, mga Marcos loyalists. I'm just saying, don't even take a lie. Mga sinungaling kayo. That's what I am saying. The flood control in Cebu is not finished. The flood control. This is happening of Typhoon Tino. This is not fixed. This is not finish of flood control of this. For example, DPWH. I just want to urge Vince Dizon, Secretary Vince Dizon, inspect the Cebu City infrastructure of flood control. Who are involved with flood control? I say again, Secretary Vince Dizon, the DPWH. I know you are wrapped up and rogue. I know you're very smart. Who involved this? Bongbong Marcos, Zaldico, Martin Romualdez, Arjo Atayde, and including other congressmen who were involved. This is embarrassing to all of those Filipinos.